Welcome back to the Ticket Setup series. In this section of the series, we're going to be focusing on how you can horizontally scale your service desk to include other support organizations in your business. We call this feature multi-team or multi-department. And the idea here is that you can add other departments such as the facilities team or the HR team or the telecom team to Tikit and allow for them to manage tickets within their teams within Microsoft Teams, but also give them the ability to have an isolated experience where they can manage tickets only assigned to those specific teams, where other team members will not have physical or visual access to those tickets. Now, in order to set up a multi-team, multi-department experience, there's a couple of things we have to do architecturally within Microsoft Teams, and then we can actually link up Tikit to that new team that we create for the respective place of managing tickets. So the first thing we're going to do is actually go to Microsoft Teams and set up the team and the channel where we want tickets to be sent to. Now, if you already have a team where you want to deploy Ticket to for your new team, your HR team, your facilities team, your telecom team, you don't have to create a new team. But in this example, I actually am going to create a new team from scratch, and I'm going to create one for the HR team, the HR department. And this will be a place where the HR department can work tickets within their team, within their respective channels, and be able to have an isolated experience where they can work in Ticket across the service desk and keep sensitive information within that team. So you'll see here I'm in Microsoft Teams, and I'm going to go ahead and create a new team. And I'll do it from scratch. Now we can respect either a private or a public team. It's up to you. I'll choose private. And I'll just call this HR. And then I'll create that team. Now when we create this team, we are going to automatically make the person who created the team an owner of that team. That's Diego. I'm also going to add just one other person to that team to make them a member of that team. I'll add Grady here. So Diego and Grady will be members of this respective team. And we can visually verify that by looking at Manage Team here and seeing that Diego is an owner and Grady is a member here. Now that we have the team where we want tickets to be sent to, we also need a channel where new tickets will be sent to. Now we can use a general channel, which is the default channel for a team. The general channel is a place where general things go, and typically you want to create a focused channel for tickets, one or multiple channels. We've set these up in previous setup sessions where in the IT team we set up a service desk channel and a desktop channel where tickets have been sent to. For HR, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new channel here. And we'll call this channel support. Now, we will choose standard. We mentioned this in a previous session, but a channel has to be standard. It can't be private. We don't respect private channels. There's a security reason for that. But we'll go ahead and create that new channel there. Now we'll create the support channel within the HR team. Now, architecturally, you're ready to deploy Ticket to this team and be able to send tickets to the HR support channel. So once that first step is done, you're going to move over to step 2, which is inside of Ticket here. I'm going to go to pause this session for now, and the next one will continue the setup and actually link up Ticket to this team and this support channel. I want to thank you for taking the time and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.